So CEPBANK class 10 circles in the given figure. AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. O is the center. Angle BCD is equal to 130 degree. BCD. This angle is 130 degree. Find DAB. DAB. This is the angle that we need to find. DBA. DBA. Basically, we'll have to join this. And DBA. This is the angle that we need to find. Yes, Mr. CP. What would we do this?
So in this question, DCBA is a quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral. So therefore, DAB will be 50 degree.
Okay. So what you are suggesting is that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Am I correct?
Yes.
The 4 points are touching the circle. Therefore, this is 130 degree. This would be 50 degree. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. What next?
So then, so we will join D and O.
Okay.
And because OA is equal to OD because your radius is, so therefore angle ADO will be 50 degree.
Okay. So what you are suggesting is that because these two are radii of the circle, therefore this triangle DOA, this is an isosceles triangle. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
This is an isosceles triangle. So this is 50. This is 50. And this angle would be equal to 80 degree. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
And therefore, this is 80 degree. What next?
So DOB will be 100 degree.
Okay, 1 second. DAB is 50 degree. So this we have found this to be 50 degree. Okay, what next?
Angle DOB is equal to 100 degree.
Why?
Because 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. So angle DOB will be 100 degree.
Okay. So what I'm suggesting is, I'm suggesting a simpler way of doing this question. See, this is the chord. This chord is subtending 80 degree at the center. And therefore, this chord will subtend half of 80 degree. That is 40 degree at the circumference. Am I correct?
Yes.
Therefore, DBA would be equal to 40 degree. Am I correct?
Yes.
And this is how the question looks like. Just to review what we have done. So we started with there 130 degree because this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. Therefore, this is 50 degree, 130, 50. Now, this became an isosceles triangle. This whole became an isosceles triangle. This is 50 degree. This side and this side are equal. Therefore, if this is 50 degree, this is 50 degree. These two are 50 degree. Therefore, this is 80 degree. Do we agree?
Yes.
So the angle formed at the center is 80 degree. Therefore, the angle formed at the circumference would be 40 degree. Am I correct?
Yes.